The future of fabrication is likely to be shaped by further advances in digital technologies, materials science, and automation. Smart manufacturing, part of the Industry 4.0 movement, integrates data from design, fabrication, and testing to improve efficiency and product quality. Sensors and IoT devices embedded in machinery can provide real-time feedback, enabling predictive maintenance and process optimization. Artificial intelligence is being explored for process control, defect detection, and even autonomous fabrication planning. New materials such as carbon fiber composites, high-strength alloys, and biocompatible substances are expanding what is possible in fabrication. These materials offer benefits in weight, strength, corrosion resistance, and other properties, but also require specialized knowledge and equipment to fabricate properly. Additive manufacturing is also expected to complement traditional fabrication. While not suitable for all applications, it offers unique capabilities for complex geometries, rapid prototyping, and on-demand production. Hybrid machines that combine additive and subtractive manufacturing processes are beginning to emerge, offering the best of both worlds. Despite technological advances, human expertise remains a cornerstone of successful fabrication. Skilled technicians, engineers, and designers are needed to interpret designs, operate machinery, troubleshoot problems, and ensure quality. As fabrication grows more sophisticated, so too must the knowledge and capabilities of the people involved. Fabrication is thus a dynamic and essential field that bridges the gap between concept and reality. It translates ideas into tangible products that form the foundation of modern life. From the steel beams of skyscrapers to the tiny circuits in smartphones, the role of fabrication is deeply embedded in the fabric of society. As industries evolve and new challenges emerge, fabrication will continue to adapt and innovate, ensuring its place at the heart of progress. Customization is another area where fabrication shines. Whether it is a bespoke architectural feature, a one-of-a-kind machine part, or a prototype for a new invention, fabrication allows for high flexibility and responsiveness to unique requirements. Small fabrication shops and large industrial facilities alike cater to custom orders, making the industry highly adaptable. Global supply chains have also affected fabrication practices.